All right, we're going to do experiment number 4, the field sobriety test. Remember, you should read through the directions first. The only thing you're going to need for this one is you. That's it, no other materials. So stand up with your feet slightly apart, hip width, look straight ahead. Raise or abduct both arms so that it's shoulder height. This all sounds familiar to the last one, right? Then you're going to bend or flex your right arm and touch the tip of your nose without moving your head. Bring your arm back to the starting position. Bend or flex your left arm and touch the tip of your nose without moving your head, and bring your arm back to the starting position. And then bring both your right and left arm to touch the tip of your nose without moving your head. And then you're going to say, did you notice any differences when using right, left, or both arms? Now you're going to repeat the same thing, but you will close your eyes. So close your eyes, bend or flex your right arm and touch the tip of your nose without moving your head. Bring your arm back to the starting position. Close your eyes, bend or flex your left arm and touch the tip of your nose without moving your head. Bring your arm back to the starting position. Close your eyes, bend or flex both your right arm and your left arm and touch the tip of your nose without moving your head. Okay. Was this challenging at all with your eyes closed? What differences did you notice when you closed your eyes? Okay. So again, I'm going to pause this for a second. I'm going to get myself ready just so that I can demonstrate this for you so you know exactly what you should be doing. Okay, here we go. Now I'm going to show you this part of it. All right, so you are going to stand with your legs hip width apart, okay? And then you're going to look straight ahead, and then you're going to abduct your arms so they are out like this. And then for this first one, you're going to keep your eyes open. And let me just see, start with right arm. So I'm going to have my arms like this, look straight ahead, this, both at the same time. Okay, that's it. Then I'll answer the question. Now I'm going to do the same exact thing, but I'm still going to look straight ahead, but I'm going to close my eyes first. So my eyes are closed. Right arm, left arm, both together. That's it. Okay, and then you're going to answer the questions. Okay, so that's it for the field sobriety test. That's experiment number 4.